So in this video, 5 different bottles of amino acids are given, and all these bottles are labeled. Each bottle contains amino acids named arginine, histidine, cysteine, proline and tryptophan. Please read carefully. And the figure that shows electrophoretic pattern of these 5 different amino acids loaded from anode to cathode. And here is the point that describes where the particular sample is loaded. And based on this information, we have to answer certain questions. The first question is that which of the following method that readily employed to identify particular tryptophan amino acid? And the methods are likewise electrophoresis, UV spectroscopy, gel filtration and simple analytical ultracentrifugation. They mentioned about only tryptophan. So if we talk about tryptophan, it's an aromatic amino acid, right? So due to the presence of in a benzene ring that contains a triple bond, 3 triple bonds, right? Its absorbance maxima is in between 260 to 300 nanometers. And this range of wavelength is of wavelength of ultraviolet rays, kind of UVA, UVB and UVC, all are present in between 260 to 300 nanometer range. So this is ultraviolet range. Obviously, if we want to identify particular tryptophan amino acid, then ultraviolet spectroscopy is the best method for, especially for tryptophan. So ultraviolet spectroscopy is present in option B. So option B is the right answer, right? Now second question is that each and every amino acid is subjected to paper electrophoresis in the pH of 9.5 buffer, and then amino acids were visualized by spraying the paper with ninhydrin reagent. So among this, which amino acid is at the point that is labeled as a 1 in the figure above? This figure, the labeled 1, this amino acid that we have to identify. So from this figure, if we can see that 1 is very nearer to cathode, that means it separates from anode to cathode, right? Now these are the answer options. Is this amino acid is arginine? Is this amino acid is histidine? Is this amino acid is cysteine? And is this amino acid is proline? That we have to find out. Please listen carefully. A labeled 1 that move towards anode to cathode, that we can see in figure, right? Now it means that positively charged amino acid is present because it moves from plus to minus. So opposite attractions are there. So among this, if we just talk about positively charged amino acid, then arginine and histidine both are positively charged amino acids. So option C cysteine and option D proline is directly omitted. Now in the structure of arginine contains 2 positively charged amino group in its overall structure, and due to the presence of this 2 positively charged amino group, arginine is positively charged. Now histidine histidine is also positively charged, but it contains aromatic ring plus 1 positively charged amino group. So if we compare positivity of histidine and arginine, then arginine is more positive than histidine. So there are chances that labeled 1 sample amino acid is definitely arginine. So arginine is present in option A. So option A is the right answer. So I hope you will understand this concept in a well manner. If my videos are helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will be notified for the next upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.